Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. This video is being made for my great niece Millie and my great nephew Kobe. We were talking about Minecraft and they wanted me to make something for Minecraft. Now I don't have any charms, but I have thousands and thousands of beads. If you're looking for beads, please check out my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. I don't have any Minecraft charms, but I thought I would make a key ring. So I've gone through, I've got this mixed bag of pony beads. It's very hot today. I've got the window open. I can hear the birds singing, but there's also, I live on a dual carriageway, so it's very noisy. So I may have to stop if, like a bike or something goes up. I went through and got some different coloured browns. These are from the Halloween set, but they're quite fluorescent. Just open this. So yeah, so I said I'd make something for them. Had a look online and I've come up with greens and browns, so we'll see how we go. Key rings, I wasn't sure what to use, but I think I'm going to use this one. I've got my snips and I've just got some, this is some cord. It's not stretchy, you don't want it stretchy, and I've gone for brown. This is, I think this is 0.8. Now it does seem like a lot, but I'm going to measure 45 inches. Actually it's 48. I can always, we'll see how much we've got left at the end. So what we do, we fold it in half. And then we hook. We put that through the key ring so it slides. And then we just grab that, pull it through. And it makes a knot. I love listening to the birds, not the traffic though. So I've taken this image and I think I will start with greens, different greens at the top and then browns at the bottom. I think I'm going to mix the greens up as I go, just like the browns as well. Let me just pull these forward. So we've got our key ring. Obviously we've got our two sides. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3. So thread these on. So we put those 3 beads on here and then we take this side and we pass that through. And then pull those together. That's our first one. Now I'm going to go again. I'm going to use a darker green as well. Again, no particular order. Pass those through. I wish I had got some charms now and I could have put them on the end, but yeah, they're amazed that Auntie Claire does YouTube. So we were looking through some videos yesterday. Millie is quite crafty and she's doing the loom bands, and if you go back a couple of years ago there was the loom band craze and I did that as well. And I made all sorts. I had a big carrier bag full of different things. and obviously they were just left gathering dust, so I gave them all to Millie. And she also made, at school they had a sale. I thought the car was coming then, very noisy. So yeah, she had a sale at school, and she made lots of loom bands and she was selling them. Lots of loom band bracelets, and she was selling them. And I think she made over £100 for the school. I thought that was ever so lovely of her. She is lovely. They were all lovely. But maybe I can pass my empire on to her one day. Hehe. Oh, did I drop that one? Yes, that one's gone. Alright, let's just grab another. This is the only thing I could think to make, because like I say, I didn't have anything Minecraft. I'm not very good at drawing. One, two, three. One, two. I think I'm going to do brown now. So this is my little Minecraft keyring, Kobe and Millie. Kobe and Millie, I hope you like it. Again, if you're looking for beads, please check out my website. And if you like making jewellery, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. But I don't make anything very difficult. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.